Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. For today guys, we'll be making an update in terms of layer edge. Okay, this will boost guys in terms of your mining, and if you are able to mint guys this pledge pass, you will be able to triple guys your mining. So let's check for this one. Let's go! So hi again miners, and for today we have an update in terms of layer edge. Our point as of right now guys, we are now at 720 thousand in terms of our node points, and we have guys a new update in terms of the tasks that are in here. Complete tasks guys to get more points of this layer edge we have here guys. Okay, mint a pledge pass coming soon, submit a proof, and then run a browser based light node. And then in here guys, link your CLI Lite client to your wallet. But this one guys, the most important part is this one. We still have more than 1 hour in terms of the minting guys, which is coming soon. Okay, the OG pass guys, which is in here. Now,
hey everybody, I found one!
There is a free pass guys, which is in here, pledge pass, which will boost your mining for layer edge on 1.2 boost. But if you're able to boost or mint guys for this pledge pass, that will be 3 times boost in terms of your node points. Okay, receive 100% mint fees back at TGE, a percentage of edge drop dedicated to OG pledge pass holders. So make sure guys that you have ETH under your wallet, whichever you use in terms of mining for layer edge. Mine, I have used guys my Ronin wallet, so make sure guys that you have Ethereum under Base Network. Okay, again guys, it is under Ethereum under Base Network. If you're going to mint guys, the countdown is as of the moment guys, I think more than 1 hour. So make sure you mint in terms of this one guys, 1 hour 22 minutes. And also guys, do the task as us. Okay, in here, submit a proof in here. Just paste guys. Okay, first we need to unlock our account. There you go. So in here guys, we are still submitting in terms of our task, in terms of the task bar. I know guys, a lot of you are doing the task, that is why it's still logged in terms of the server guys for layer edge. Okay, in here guys, just input the proof in terms of this one, and then going back into this guys, there will be tasks that are available, which is run the browser base and then link your CLI Lite client to your wallet. And again guys, make sure to mint for your NFT guys. Make sure that you have enough ETH on your wallet guys. Right now we don't have, so we will be converting some of our Ronin tokens guys into Ethereum under Base Network, and later on we will be minting for this one to triple our mining in terms of layer edge. And right now guys, we are now at 740 or 720,000 in terms of our mined nodes in terms of layer edge. So make sure guys that you mint, whether you have it or not, that will still be a boost of 1.2 or 3 guys if you have the pledge pass. So that's it for me guys. See ya.
It's showtime.